So today I'm going to look at the K2 unit, My Creative Work, by Common Sense Education, so we can see how to use it to teach digital citizenship to students. The focal digital citizenship element for this lesson is digital law, which sounds really intimidating. According to the article, Educational Leadership in an Online World, Connecting Students to Technology Responsibly, Safely, and Ethically by Ribble and Miller, the digital law element states that as in real life, if something is taken which has value, it is stealing. Students need to see the connection between real life and online life, and understand that those basic laws apply to online life as well as real life. This lesson is about crediting creative work and teaches students how to identify who created a work and how they can identify themselves as the creators of their own work, so others can credit them. This builds in the real-life understanding about crediting work that lays the foundation for crediting online sources that we use so that we don't steal them. If we scroll down here, we can see the lesson objectives. They are: define the key vocabulary term credit, list some reasons why credit is important for an artist, and give themselves proper credit on their own work. Again, these objectives build in the skills and knowledge that students need to identify and credit their own and others' work. That way, as they get older and begin to use online resources more, they will already have the knowledge of how to credit others for their online work and avoid stealing or plagiarism. If we move over to the activity page, it's right here, we can see that Common Sense Education has provided several activities for students to do to explore these objectives. The first one is a word jumble, right here, which I personally don't really see the instructional value of other than having it be a fun activity for students to do that introduces them to digital vocabulary. The other activities, though, seem very useful. The family activity has the students finding a favorite book to locate how it is credited, which, more specifically, has them looking for the title, the author, the illustrator, and the copyright date. Then, students take it up by looking for the book online and seeing if they can find the same information in the digital copy. The lesson ends by telling students how to credit themselves on their own work, as well as important reasons for giving credit to others. I think the hook that would make this lesson engaging is having students discuss how they would feel if someone took their work without crediting them. This would reinforce the digital law element by having students recognize that stealing work is bad in real life, as well as online. I think that this is a really good lesson for K2 students so that, again, they can start building that foundation of how we can credit work, how we can avoid stealing and plagiarism, and introduce it in kind of a fun way that connects back to their real life.